Hey everyone, you guys want to see something really cool? Check this out. Hey, come up here. You're gonna like what you see, especially on a hot day like today. So I partnered up with my friends at Mabett, and this is their new Sunshade. And on a day like today, you're definitely gonna need something like this. So I tell you what, let's head back to the garage. I'll show you how easy it is to install. And you can keep the sun off you when you're driving around topless. Since we're here, we might as well take a look at the boats. All right, let's get going. All right, since we're back, let's see what comes in the box and let's figure out how to put it on. What are you gonna need for tools? You're gonna need a T50 Torx. They supply you the Allen wrench for this bolt, okay? And then you're going to have these little washers. So let's talk about these washers for a minute. This bolt's going to go in here like so. Allen wrench like so. That's so. Your bungee cord will go over it like that. Okay? That's all you're going to need. So let's go put it on. I'll explain to you where they go. And you can see in this picture where they all go. There's 1, 2, 3 on the side and 1 in the front right under the visor. Here's a closer picture to take a better look. Then you're going to take your middle. If you look, you got 1, 2, 3. On this bracket, you're going to use your middle one. If you have a soft top, you won't have this bracket, so you're just going to use the middle one right here. Then you're going to have your last 2 grommets. They're going to go right here. So if you look here, you're going to have 2 bolts. This one's going towards the front. This one's going to the back. We're going to use the one going more towards the back. And I have a hard top, so I'm going to reuse my bolt that was there and put this on this bracket right here. So you have 2 bolt holes. You're going to use the rear one. If you have the hard top, it's the one that's holding the hard top down. If you do not have the hard top, you're going to use the supplied Allen wrench and you're going to use the supplied bolt. Okay? So you're getting 4 of these bolts. One's going here. One's going to go here if you don't have a hard top. And one's going to go here because there won't be a bolt there. This one you should be able to reuse the bolt that's already there. All right, good way to know exactly you're in the right spot with this is look on the opposite side. So if you look at the opposite side, you'll see the handles and you see the 2 screws that hold the handles. Well, if you go right above those 2 screws, that's where you'll have your threaded inserts to thread in the 2 grommets, okay? So that makes it nice and easy. I have the hard top, so I already have the hard top there. If you have a soft top, you just add the 2 grommets with the supplied screws. So as you can see, I put my 4 bungee loops in the back first, and then the 2 that go around the corner there, they go right here around the roll bar on both sides. You might be able to see it better on this one. I do those first, and then I do the rest. So let's take a look at the front. You have the hook on the side right behind the weld. You have the grommet right above your sun visor, and you have a hook right in the middle there where your pin would go for your top, and that's a close. Now that's what the finished product's going to look like, okay? So you have your grommets, you have your hooks in the front, you have it connected around your roll bar. I've kept my hard top rear section on. It's nice and tight and gives you a lot of sun protection. So you definitely need it on a day like today. It's 95 degrees out. So a lot of people are going to ask a few questions. One, can you keep it up when you're putting your top up? If you have a soft top, the answer is definitely yes. You never have to touch it again. You have plenty of room in the front here to latch the soft top. If you have a hard top, you won't be able to get the middle latches. The other big question is, does it make any whistles? Does it make any noise? Well, I'll be quiet and you take a listen. I can hear a slight whistle. It's not really that bad, but it's a slight whistle. So take a listen. See if you can hear it. Is it no whistle? No, there's a little whistle. Can you guys hear it? If you can't hear it, then you can tell it's not really that loud. It's nothing a little music wouldn't drown out. If you guys are interested in something like this, it's easy to put up, it's inexpensive,